everyone. Yesterday we have seen control statements. We have seen if and if else, next if else ladder and nested if else, and along with loops also, for loop and while loop and until. So this is the folder we have created for scripts. These all are the scripts. So we have discussed all these things. So how we can pass the variable and loops and file test use case also we have tested. So now case statements also we have tested. Now break and continue. So what is the use of break and what is the use of continue means I am continuously repeating or iterating the loop. In one situation, I have to exit or I want to skip on specific use case or specific value. At that moment, we are using break and continue. In vehicle also, if we are applying the brake, automatically it will stop. Same like here also in the loops, brake will work same like and continue also will be same, but what continue will do, if the same value will be occurred, I mean whatever the condition was met, automatically it will skip the respected value and it will continue. Let me show you. Cat. Yeah, here you can see for high in, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next, I am trying to print the value, whatever the value is assigned in the loop. I am trying to print the same value. Next, yesterday I have explained about these special operators. If I equal to 3, then skipping the 3. I am skipping this 3 and continue. Next, again I am using the if. Here I am not using the else statement. Only true condition purpose we are using the if. True, false, we are using the if else condition. This is clear for you. Next, if I equal to 4, breaking at the 4. I am breaking at the 4. Okay, let me try to run the same script. Instead of cat, how we can run simply sh. Here you can see from first iteration, what is the value, current value is 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Here when 3 occurs, automatically what continue will do, it will skip the value. That's why you can see in the echo statement, echo means simply in our use case it's a print statement, skipping 3. Next, current value 4. Okay, here breaking at 4, you can see here breaking at 4. After that we have values also 5 6. We cannot print to those values because I am exit from the loop by using this break statement. This is how continue and break will work. Continue means it will skip the respective value in the loop. Okay, it will only skip the respective value in the loop. What break will do, break, it will automatically exit from the loop. When the condition occurs, so automatically it will exit from the loop. The next value will not be print. This is the difference between the break and continue. Next, so case statements we have seen already. Next, date formats, we have different types of the date formats. uh, Yesterday I have shown in the text, I mean text file. Here how you can print a date, so simply if you try to I mean if you type date, today Wednesday July 30, so whatever the time, it is the UTC time. Okay, we have different types of the time zones. Our time zone is IST, because we are working from India. Our time zone is IST Kolkata. Okay, next same like EST, EDT, Central Time Zone and Eastern Time Zone. So we have different types of the time zones. So here, what is the use of these time zones means, for example, I have file, whatever the data today I am getting, I want to store the file with the today date extension format. At that moment, simply I will take the same file and underscore date plus whatever the extension you want to give, you can give the same extension. Here you can see if I am trying to run the same file, instead of cat, if I am doing the sh, So today date, because I have given year, month, date format. Today, year 2025, month, 7th month, and date 30. Okay, here the file name I want to store like this backup date, whatever the date today, the date format along with hours, minutes, seconds dot txt. So this is the usage of date. I mean date functions. So in real time situation we should have to take the backup of the existing file, or we should have to share existing files to some other team. Okay, if same file we cannot be share, okay, we will share the same file with the date extension format. Based on the date extension format, user can easily understand, okay, this is today date, this is yesterday date file, this is tomorrow date, this is day after tomorrow. Based on that history we can track by using these file names. So this is about date formats. We have not much used to date formats, but whatever, if you want to search you can search also. Here just I'm explaining for your understanding purpose. Okay, next, um, we have completed control statements. In the control statements we have completed if else and nested if if ladder, and also along with the loops, so for loop and while loop and until. Okay, along with we have completed case statements. Whatever the value you have selected, the same value will be showing here. For example, one more time I'm showing case statement. So here is a case statement. Let me try to print one more time. Yeah, here is a case statement. So read based on user choice, whatever the value you want to read you can read. Okay, so here sh, yeah, enter your choice. If you enter apart from this, okay, this is a special character. In copy command I have shown how you can copy multiple files or multiple folders. So by using the star symbol we can able to copy or move whatever the files available in the current folder, same like. So here if I am taking any other value apart from this, okay, let me take f. Okay, yeah, invalid option. So select will like same, sorry, case will like same. Okay, case statement. Next, apart from that we have functions. Okay, in every programming languages we have functions. Mostly what is the main purpose of function means, a function which is used for perform a specific task. Okay, in SQL also we have discussed the same topic. Whatever the programming language, whatever the scripting language, the functionality will be the same for the function. Okay, same. Two, we have, I mean, in function mostly function declaration and function execution, this is the common. First we have to declare the function, later only we have to execute the function. Let me show you function script. Yeah, this is the simple function I have developed. For example, if some people might have background on Java or Python, they might have aware about the function. Okay, but here I'm just explaining function. Okay, what is the meaning of function means, a function which is used per perform a specific task. Here is the function declaration. Simply whatever the function name you want to give you can give, and open brace closed brace. Okay, simply here by using echo function or whatever the logic you want to write, you can write inside the function. You can call same function multiple ways in multiple methods. So for mostly what is the main advantage with function means, reusability. Once function has declared, I can use anywhere. That is the main advantage with this function. Okay, let me execute. Yeah, you can see here, hello from my function. Yeah, whatever I have written you can see here same. Next, so apart from this let me show you argument pass. Yeah, what is the argument pass means, in some situations, for example in real time scenario, values we are not declaring static, I mean we are not using the static values. We have to pass the values dynamically based on the um, based on the programmer driven or based on the user convenient purpose, we have to use the values. Argument pass, I have, yeah, here once you see the script you can easily understand. Okay, we have dollar symbol for reading the values from user. Let me show you. Whatever the values, this is the comment guys, whatever I have used to ash, it's a comment in the Linux. Okay, in Python and in the Linux, this is the comment. Here whatever the value I am trying to assigning, okay, the values I am giving while running the script. This is the argument pass method. I'll let me run the script, you will get some idea. Okay, here how many values I am using? Two values I am using. So here if you run the script directly, what is the result you will get? You can see here 0, first number, second number 0, because I have not passed any kind of the values while running the script. Let me pass the values 10, 20. Just you can pass like that, because I have not, I mean here I am not separating with comma or whatever it is. If we want we can separate, that's not a problem. Okay, 10 to, sorry, 10 20, the results will be 30. You can see here. Here for example 50 20, result will be 70. You can see here. This is the argument pass methodology. In real time scenario, values, whatever the values, we are not declaring statically. We are not we are not driving with static methodologies. Okay, mostly we are driving with the dynamic methodologies. For example, here is some script you have written. It will take a file from the input, and based on the file it will perform some lot of operations, but file will not be a static. Each time the file should be driven with the date extension value, and it should have to pass in the specific script path. It should have to pass a specific script path. So for such purpose, you should have to pass dynamically. It's not static. For such purpose, we are using this dynamical method for argument passing. Okay. Next, same method will be available for Python also. Let me show you for Python. Yeah, here let me show you. If you don't know Python, yeah, that's not a problem, we'll discuss later. Same here also, you can see here I am reading the two elements from the user values, number one, number two, sum. What is the number one, what is the number two, it will be summing up, same mathematical. Next, it will show here in Linux we are using the echo statement. In Python, whatever the values I have given, same values. Instead of that, I am using sysargv. Okay, sys is a module, system module. uh, we'll discuss about these modules in Python module session. Okay, we have three types of the modules. One is predefined, next user defined, and we have mostly different types of the modules, like predefined modules and user defined modules. Okay, so here sys is a predefined module, and last one will be the third party module. Third party module will be installed by pip install. Okay, we have three types of the modules. First one will be the uh, default prerequisites related. While you installing the Python, it will automatically get the modules. Okay, it's a predefined. Second one will be the user defined. User defined means user can develop method, and he can use the specific method whenever he want to use. So it's these kind of things are user defined. Next, third modules are third party modules. That means the third type modules are third party modules. Mostly third party modules we are installing by using the pip command. So we have installed, yeah, we will install, we can install like NumPy, Panda, same like that. So here also Here sys argv, we can able to read the values. How many values you want to read? You can declare like this. Okay, here let me run this. If I am running the script directly, how you can run the script? It's a Python script, so we should have to use Python. So this is Python 3. That's why I'm using the Python 3. Index out of range. You can see here. Whenever you are passing the values 10, 20 instead of 30, 40, you can give. Sorry, you can see here. Yeah, this is the argument passing methodology. So same will be applicable for functions also. How you can call a function dynamically by using the values, same method. You can see this is the function declaration, and how you can call the function. This is the function calling method. Previously I have explained with this print statement. Yeah, here is the function declaration and here is the function calling. Instead of this, I have replaced with this calculator. What I am doing is I'm taking one value, I mean, I'm taking two values from user driven, and after that, I am multiplying the two values. Finally, the results you can see here. Here, let me run this. Yeah, let me give 2, 5, 10, 100. You can see here. So, this is the way we can pass the values. Yeah, that's all about this video.